If you think all Canadian beaches are chilly, try the warm beaches of MacLeod's Beach Campground. You have your choice of 15 or 30 amp electrical utilities on top of water and sewer connections. The sites are open or wooded, and you can get your fire pit at many of the sites. Like any decent RV park, you also have clean and bright showers, bathrooms and laundry facilities. You'll get a camp store for groceries and camping supplies, firewood for your fire pit, and a rec hall and playground for the little ones. MacLeod's focal point is found on the beach itself. Right from the beach and campground you can get some on the water fun, beach walks and views of magnificent sunsets. Of course, you'll go crazy if you stay at your site, but the local area has plenty more to offer. Within an hour's drive, you'll find the Cabot Trail, the Cape Mabou Hiking Trail, the pastoral town of Cheticamp and the Alexander Graham Bell Museum. When in doubt about things to do, hop on a boat for whale watching or salmon fishing. MacLeod's Beach Campground will make you feel like a regular old salt.